Raúl.
Yeah, thank you, Chair. I would like to talk, I don't know if I should talk about tomatoes or bailouts, because what happened in Spain last weekend is not yet clear what it is. When you speak with the authorities in the European institutions, it seems that it's something. But when you hear what the president of the Spanish government says it is, it's a completely different story. So now my question is very concrete. In terms of the rescue, so-called rescue, bailout, whatever you want to call it, that it happened to Spain, I would like if you could clarify a couple of things. First, how is going to be implemented? I mean, when is going to be spent that amount of money, the 100 billions of billions, 20 milliards, 100 millions of euros on the saving
bank. A lot of money.
Yeah, okay, a lot of money on saving bank here. Secondly, what are the real problems in order to do this help or this assistance directly to the banks and not passing through the state? And third...
No, two questions.
Okay. Well, it's linked to this, but it's fine.
We have a lot of people,
okay.
Two questions is a lot.
Okay. Now, what happened was the following. By the way, my porte-parole today had already the opportunity to clarify, because today there is a newspaper that says that I urged a reluctant prime minister to ask, and this is not true. This is simply not true. What happened was I spoke with the Prime Minister of Spain, in fact, saying that in our opinion this will be the right approach, to have a program for the banks, and he was extremely favorable about that possibility already. That was already his intention when I spoke with him. And I think what happened with Spain was indeed a very good solution. I mean, it's not yet done. What happened, by the way, they have not yet requested formally, the Spanish government. What they have done was to announce their intention to ask for a program of assistance to the banks. And the Eurogroup unanimously decided in favor, up to 100 billion, but details are not yet, the request has not yet been made, because apparently the Spanish government is waiting now for some independent authorities analysis of the real situation in the banking system, but then the details are going to be worked out. But it is true that there will be conditionality for the banks. Yes, that's true. And the Commission will be responsible for this. We will work, of course, with the ECB on that matter. The IMF will be some kind of role in terms of technical assistance to the implementation of the program for the banks. So it is a program not designed like the ones we have, for instance, for Greece, but it is a program of support to the banking system, because, once again, and this is the point I would like to highlight, we have discovered recently that the situation in the banking system in Spain was not as was said before it was. And this is, I think, a matter of reflection. That is one of the reasons why I really believe that we need to reinforce and integrate the financial supervision at European level to avoid this kind of surprises, because this kind of surprises has, of course, a negative impact, not only in the country concerned, but in general terms in the euro area and in the European Union.
Helga.